Hello dear English learners, I hope you are doing well. Today's video is about summer vocabulary. We are going to see first communication, a dialogue, listen to the dialogue, ask and answer about summer. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is summer because I enjoy swimming. Good. Now vocabulary. Here are some words you need to talk about summer. Sun, sun, sunny, hot. Beach, beach. Swimming, swimming. Flip-flop, flip-flops. Beach toys, beach toys. Sandcastle, sandcastle. Sunglasses, sunglasses. Sun cream, sun cream. Beach volleyball, beach volleyball. Sunbathing, sunbathing. To enjoy time under the sun. Ice cream, ice cream. Juice, juice. Water bottle, water bottle. Sunflowers, sunflowers. Surfing, surfing. Camping, camping. Kites, kites. This is the season of summer. We say it's summertime. Have fun. Usually in summer we have a vacation, we have a holiday. People enjoy it to go to the beach and enjoy sunbathing. They swim and they play beach volleyball because it's summer and the memories are just waiting to happen. Memories of playing, of enjoying our time. And of course in summer there is no school. The schools are closed for the summer. Have a nice summer vacation, visit all the places and enjoy great moments. Each day happy summer holiday. Wishing you happy holidays in a beautiful location. Take care, goodbye, and don't forget to write a nice comment, share with family and friends, like and subscribe. Goodbye till another new video.